How to cheat in Stick War Legacy. This is how you do it. First step, go to the Chrome or your Google and just if you go to the like that and search Stick War like that and you just search that, go to this. Okay, just wait. This download Stick War Legacy Mode Unlimited Gems. Don't download the original one, cause if you download it and you download this Stick War Legacy Mode Unlimited Gems, it will not work. Okay, that's how you do it. Just download it all. Goodbye. End my stream here. Bye bye. Goodbye now.